will discuss about human digestive system. What is digestion? The large food components turns into simple ones with the help of enzymes is called digestion. The major food components of food is carbohydrates, proteins, fats. The end products of the food components. The end product of the carbohydrates is glucose. End product of the protein is amino acids. The end product of fats is fatty acid and glycerol. What is digestive juice? There are several glands are present in human digestive system. 3 pairs of salivary glands, liver, pancreas, gastric gland, intestinal gland. Digestive glands secretes digestive juice. Digestive juice contains enzymes. Enzymes act on complex compounds and turns into simple ones. Organs present in digestive system: mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. First we discuss about mouth. The food is cut and crushed in our mouth with the help of teeth. Buccal cavity. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands present in buccal cavity. Salivary glands secretes saliva. Saliva contains enzyme ptyalin. Ptyalin acts on carbohydrates and turns into maltose. The food mixes with saliva. The food mixes with saliva and turns into wet and slippery. The food is called as bolus. Bolus have basic nature. Next, parents. The common passage of food and air is called parents. The flattened part is called epiglottis. This epiglottis controls the movement of food and air. Esophagus. There is a tube-like structure called esophagus. The food moves in esophagus like waves called peristaltic waves. There is no enzymes in esophagus, so the bolus does not change in esophagus. Stomach. This is stomach. Stomach have gastric glands. Gastric glands secretes gastric juice. Gastric juice contains pepsin and HCl. HCl kills the microorganisms. Pepsin acts on proteins and turns into peptones. The end of the stomach, there is a ring-like structure called pyloric sphincters. The food is called chyme. Chyme has acidic nature. The differences between bolus and chyme. There is partially digested carbohydrates is called bolus. Partially digested carbohydrates and proteins is called chyme. There is the end of the stomach. There is a ring-like structure called pyloric sphincters. These sphincters help to move the chyme into small intestine. The largest organ in digestive system is called small intestine. The proximal part of the small intestine is duodenum. Liver. This is liver. Liver secretes bile juice and stores in gallbladder. And bile juice reaches the duodenum. Liver secretes bile juice. Bile juice does not have any enzymes, but bile juice helps for emulsification of fats. Emulsification means the fat turns into small globules. Pancreas. This is pancreas. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice reaches the duodenum. Pancreatic juice have 3 types of enzymes: ptyalin, trypsin, amylase, lipase. Trypsin acts on proteins and turns into peptides. Amylase acts on carbohydrates and turns into molecules. Lipase acts on fats and turns into fatty acids and glycerol. Here, the fat digestion is completed in duodenum. Small intestine. This is small intestine. Small intestine walls have intestinal glands. Intestinal glands secretes intestinal juice. Intestinal juice have 2 types of enzymes. First one is peptidase, second one is sucrase. Peptidase acts on peptones and turns into amino acids. Sucrase acts on sucrase and turns into glucose. There is a finger-like structure is in small intestine. It is called microvillus. This microvillus helps to absorption of food into blood vessels. Large intestine. This is large intestine. Large intestine absorb the minerals and water from undigested food. Rectum and anus. This is rectum. This is anus. The undigested food expelled from anus. This is called defecation.